Hi, welcome back to the channel, guys. You know what it is. It's Friday. I put in some Instacart orders, so that's getting delivered. My Kroger order came, my Costco order came. Now I'm waiting on Publix to get here. Let me just show you what I got. So this is my order from Kroger's, actually. So just some stuff, some chicken, and just a bunch of everything. I'm gonna do my prep for my meats. And this is what I got from Costco, which is my salmon. I'm gonna start putting this stuff away. Then when my Publix order comes, I'll put that away also. Everything's been wiped down already. We still wipe our stuff down. I'm getting ready to do the meat. Some chicken. I'm gonna make some burgers and go ahead and cut my salmon up. Seems like I'm missing something unless I got it in the Publix order. Here's the Publix order that just came. Just a few more things. Oh, by the way, the guys are here painting the steps. They just sanded the rail. Stained it to match the steps finally. Prep all my meat. I just did some chicken legs. I got salmon, hamburgers, and chicken breast.